Okay. Bye. So Mandy's like killing a chicken right now. This is what we college kids have to deal with since our parents aren't here, huh, Mandy?
Yeah.
Do you want your mom right now?
Yes.
Do you want your dad right now?
Yes.
It's so gross. Are you gonna eat it when you're done?
No, fuck that. What is this? What do I do with this? Do you want to eat it off the bone, or can I like chop it up into little nuggets?
I don't know. You're the cook here.
I don't like eating it off the bone if I'm gonna eat it, 'cause I know I'm gonna be hungry tonight.
Mandy, do you want to cry right now?
I don't want to cry. I want to throw up. It's so gross. We're eating fish from now on.
Okay. Ew, Mandy!
It's like a booger. It won't come off. What is this? There's still feathers on this.
Oh my god.
It feels weird. Ah, I just got myself.
Did you?
I think it's not bleeding. That really hurt.
Okay, this is just gross. Bye, Mandy.
Bye.
Have fun with that.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thanks.